Hi everyone, welcome to Evie's Toy House. Today we are going to be making a new split pony. We have Big Mac here and we're going to turn him into half Evil King Sombra and half Good King Sombra. The Good King Sombra is from an alternative universe and is charming and handsome. Throughout today's video, I will ask 3 King Sombra trivia questions. Make sure to pay attention for the answers and new questions throughout this video. If you get all 3 correct, let me know by commenting I win! Here's the first question. Who was Sombra's friend when he was a cult in the Crystal Empire orphanage? Alright, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is remove the hair from Big Mac. Using scissors, I'm going to cut off the mane and also the tail. Next, we're going to paint the entire pony a gray color. Now we're going to go over the gray on the left side and paint it a dark gray. Now the answer to our first trivia question, who was Sombra's friend when he was a cult in the Crystal Empire orphanage, is Radiant Hope. Did you get it right? Here's the next question. In the alternate world, what kind of relationship did Sombra and Celestia have? Next, let's move on and work on the eyes. For Good King Sombra, we're going to start by redrawing his eyes with white. Then we'll use green for the irises. We're going to add black pupils. And with black, we're going to add the eyebrows. And we're also going to line the eyes. Finally, we'll dot the eyes with white. And draw in the mouth using gray. On Evil King Sombra, it will be similar. We will be using a dark green color for the eyes, dark red irises, and black pupils and eyebrows. And now the answer to our second trivia question. In the alternate world, what kind of relationship did Sombra and Celestia have? And the answer is, they loved each other. They actually had a very good relationship. Here's the third question. Where did King Sombra rule? Now, using white, let's paint in his teeth. Next, we're going to paint the armor on the hooves. For Good King Sombra, it will be bright blue. For Evil King Sombra, it will be metallic silver color. If you're enjoying this video and want to see more of my custom ponies, make sure to subscribe. It's really quick and easy, just click on the subscribe button. Now we're going to finish the pony with clay. We'll start with the hair. I'm going to build up the mane using air dry clay. Once the main piece is done, we can add a little curved piece on the bottom. and a larger wavy piece on top. Now we're going to score a line down the middle and add a few extra pieces of hair for Evil King Sombra's side. For the tail, I'm going to use blue oven baked clay. And the reason why I did this is because this is actually my second attempt with this custom. I used oven baked clay for everything on the first one and it totally failed. So I had to start over. But the tail is still good, so I'm going to use it. Finally, we're going to make the cape. Using a flat piece of air dried clay, we're going to cut out the shape of the cape and drape it around King Sombra. Then we'll add the details on the front. As a final touch, we're going to add a strip of fur around the edges. Alright, let's paint the mane. On the good King Sombra side, it's going to be blue. And now let's answer the third trivia question. Where did King Sombra rule? He ruled the Crystal Empire. So, did you get all three right? If so, comment, I win! On the Evil King Sombra side, it will be black. The cape will be red on Evil King Sombra's side. And we'll paint the cape purple on the good King Sombra side. And of course, this little strip of fur will be white on both sides. Here on the front, we use metallic silver for King Sombra's armor. And we use purple and blue for the good King Sombra's outfit. For the horn, I'm going to use the ones I made using oven-baked clay on my first attempt. So Evil King Sombra has a red horn that's curved, and the good King Sombra has a regular unicorn horn that is straight and pointy. Alright everyone, and we are done. Take a look. So on this side is the good King Sombra, and as you can see, he looks very handsome and very smart. He has blue hair, and he also has regular unicorn horn that is straight and pointy. On his gray body, he is wearing a purple cape. And let's take a look at the Evil King Sombra. Are you guys ready? So he is a very dark gray color with black hair, really evil green eyes, and he also has a very interesting horn. It's actually red and it's a little bit curved. On his body, he's wearing a red cape and he has armor on his chest. And here they are from the front. I think they look really interesting like this. So just moving the camera, you can see that there's the good side with the nice kind eyes. And then there's the evil angry side. Alright everyone, so let me know down below in the comment section what you think of my split pony. Which side do you like better? The good King Sombra or the evil King Sombra? And also, did you answer all 3 of the trivia questions correctly? If you did, make sure to comment below. I win! Alright, so make sure to subscribe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!